we're gonna paint a teddy bear. So let's get started. So I'm gonna mix the red color in the white color. And we have the dots here that we need to join. And these dots are numbered, so it's gonna be easy to join them. So we're gonna join all the dots on this perforated line. Let's get started. Let's use a sketch color. From one dot to another along the perforated line. Like this. Now we're gonna start painting. So I'm gonna use the pink color that we got by mixing the red and the white color. Be very careful. Make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. And the face. We're gonna color along the edges first. Like this. Be very careful. And you can use the thinner part of the brush for the narrow areas. And in order to fill the color, we can use the broader one. Nice and easy. Long strokes. Fill in the color. You can use the thinner brush for the narrow areas or just the thinner part of the brush from the side. And now fill the color in with the thicker part. Now we'll color the rest of the face, the ears, around the eyes, forehead, and the face, around the other eye, and in between the eyes. Alright, so we're done painting the body. Now let's paint the ears and the paws. Now in order to paint this, we're going to keep a little darker pink, for which we can reduce the amount of white color and increase the red one. Nice and easy. Don't smudge the color. And the paws. We're going to use the same color for the paws too as we did for the ears. And the toes. And this area that we left. And now for the nose, we're gonna use the brown color. Nice and easy. Stay within the outline. And with the sky blue sketch color, let's color the bow. gonna be one attractive teddy bear. And now with the help of the black sketch color, fill the color in the eyes. And I'm also gonna darken the outline. Like this. Under the eye. The ear. The mouth. The face. And the rest of the body. Along with the bow tie. And this little part here. Rest of the face. The paws. And the tummy of the teddy bear. This part. And the paw. And the nose. Darkening the outline makes the picture look brighter. Alright, so our nice looking teddy bear is ready.